Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video to show you guys how to replace your crank sensor on a 2014 Kia Rio or a Hyundai Accent. So if you see this connector where my finger is pointing, that is actually your crank sensor. And where does that crank sensor live? That crank sensor lives just below where your coolant cap is. So you guys are going to want to come down, follow that, come all the way down, and it will be that guy right there. Now how to get to this is actually from underneath the vehicle, so I'm going to pause you guys, raise the vehicle, and show you guys what needs to be disconnected. So the first thing that needs to be done is that you actually have to remove the lower splash shield, which is this guy right here. This one's been repaired by somebody, and they did a pretty decent job. But we're going to take and remove this guy, and then we're going to get to where the crank sensor lives. Alright, so this, if you look at your oil filter right here, and you come up just a little bit, that's where your crank sensor lives, right where my light's pointing. Try to get this, there we go. Give us a little bit more light. There we go. So this is your crank sensor. Now in order to remove your crank sensor, you're going to need a 10mm socket. Remove this guy. Remove this little clip right here. And then you guys can take and remove the connector that I showed you guys a while ago, which is this guy. Remove all those, replace it, and you guys will be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.